Welcome to our video on the benefits of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. In this video, we'll dive into what HIIT is and how it can transform your fitness routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, HIIT offers something for everyone. It involves short bursts of intense exercise, followed by brief rest periods, maximizing efficiency and results. Over the next few segments, we'll explore the journey of someone incorporating HIIT into their fitness regimen. You'll see the initial challenges, breakthroughs, and incredible transformation that follows. By the end of this video, you'll understand how HIIT can improve both your physical and mental well-being. So, stay tuned, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. You'll meet our protagonist, Alex, who is eager to take their workout to the next level. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to incorporate HIIT into your own fitness routine. Let's get started. Meet Alex, a fitness enthusiast ready to elevate their workout game. Like many of us, Alex started with a routine, steady cardio, strength training, the usual. Days turned into weeks, yet something felt missing. That extra spark, the push beyond the plateau, seemed elusive. Fitness for Alex wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about feeling stronger, healthier, and more alive. This segment introduces us to Alex's journey, capturing their determination and initial fitness routine. As we delve into Alex's story, we'll uncover how high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, holds the key to breaking through barriers and achieving remarkable results. Stay tuned as Alex's quest for a vigorous, dynamic fitness routine takes shape through HIIT. Next, we'll explore the initial skepticism that many, including Alex, often face when stepping into the world of HIIT. Like many, Alex is skeptical about HIIT. Common questions come to mind: is it really effective? Is it too intense for me? The hype around HIIT seems almost too good to be true. Alex wonders if these short bursts of high-intensity exercise can truly deliver on their promises. Stories of unbelievable transformations seem unrealistic. Skepticism is natural when faced with a new and intense workout regimen. Perhaps you're asking similar questions. Can HIIT fit into my current routine? Is it only for elite athletes? These misconceptions are normal, and even Alex grapples with doubts. But what if those questions had answers? What if those doubts could be addressed? As we continue, you'll discover the science behind HIIT and how it works. We'll delve into the common misconceptions that often hold us back and see if they truly stand up to scrutiny. Stay tuned as we unpack the real benefits of HIIT and why so many fitness enthusiasts swear by it. Join us in this journey as we confront skepticism and learn the true potential of HIIT. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, combines short bursts of intense exercise with rest or low-intensity periods. Unlike steady-state cardio, HIIT pushes your limits in brief sessions for maximum efficiency and results. Let's break it down. HIIT involves repeating cycles of high-intensity effort followed by varying recovery times. These cycles can be as short as 20 seconds of all-out effort followed by 10 seconds of rest. This pattern not only keeps the workout engaging but also maximizes calorie burn and cardiovascular benefits in less time than traditional workouts. The beauty of HIIT lies in its versatility. Whether you're sprinting, cycling, or performing bodyweight exercises, HIIT can be adapted to suit any fitness level or preference. This customizable approach ensures that everyone, from beginners to seasoned athletes, can benefit from its efficiency. As you start to grasp the basics of HIIT, remember, it's all about pushing your boundaries, recovering, and coming back stronger. Now, with a clearer understanding, let's dive into the myriad physical benefits HIIT has to offer. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a game-changer for your physical health. Let's dive into the 3 core benefits that make HIIT a powerhouse in any fitness routine. First, it's incredibly effective in boosting cardiovascular health. Those intense bursts of exercise get your heart pumping and improve overall heart function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Next, there's metabolism. HIIT isn't just about burning calories while you work out. The magic lies in the afterburn effect. Your metabolism stays elevated long after your workout ends, meaning you keep burning calories even when you're at rest. And let's talk about fat loss. By combining high intensity with rest periods, HIIT is optimized for fat burning. Short, intense workouts break through fat reserves, helping you shed those extra pounds more efficiently than traditional steady-state cardio. So, whether you're looking to enhance your heart health, rev up your metabolism, or lose weight, HIIT offers a clear path to physical improvement. As we move forward, you'll see how these benefits translate into a more energized, healthier you. HIIT isn't just beneficial for your physical health, it also provides numerous mental benefits. Engaging in HIIT can greatly improve mental clarity, allowing your mind to stay sharp and focused throughout the day. Regular HIIT sessions help reduce stress by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood lifters that make you feel happier and more relaxed. Additionally, you'll notice a remarkable boost in your overall energy levels. This surge in energy can translate into increased productivity and a more positive outlook on life. As we dive deeper into the benefits of HIIT, you'll see how these mental improvements can positively impact other areas of your life, making HIIT a holistic approach to overall well-being. Next, we'll explore how you can incorporate HIIT into your fitness routine, ensuring you can harness these incredible mental benefits consistently. Alex decides to give HIIT a try, stepping into uncharted territory. The first session hits hard. Seconds feel like minutes as Alex powers through each high-intensity interval. Knees buckle, sweat pours, but there's an undeniable thrill in the challenge. It's a struggle, pushing limits previously untouched. Muscles ache and lungs burn, but Alex feels a spark, a rare mix of determination and exhilaration. This moment is a test, an introduction to the relentless, rewarding nature of HIIT. The challenge is intense, almost overwhelming, but it's in this furnace that resilience is forged. HIIT demands everything, instantly revealing weaknesses and strengths. Yet, amid the exhaustion, Alex finds a new appreciation for the body's potential. This first session is a milestone, a step in a journey filled with both struggle and triumph. As we watch Alex confront these initial challenges, we'll see how perseverance transforms effort into progress. Join us in the next segment as we explore common hurdles in HIIT and discover strategies to overcome them. HIIT can be challenging at first. As you embark on this journey, it's important to recognize that struggling is part of the process. Common challenges include dealing with intense bursts of activity and managing fatigue. But don't get discouraged. Here are some tips to help you push through those initial hurdles. First, start slow and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Listen to your body, and take breaks when needed. Consistency is key, so set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Remember, every effort, no matter how small, counts towards your fitness journey. Hydrate well, eat balanced meals, and prioritize recovery to fuel your body adequately. Keep a positive mindset and maintain a spirit of perseverance. Your determination will pay off, and before you know it, you'll find the workouts becoming more manageable. As we move forward, you'll see how overcoming these challenges can lead to a remarkable transformation in your fitness journey. With each HIIT session, Alex starts to notice significant progress. The workouts, once overwhelming, become more manageable. Confidence builds as the once daunting exercises become routine. Alex's form improves, and those small achievements fuel a newfound determination. Each completed session is a testament to Alex's dedication. The journey isn't just about physical improvement, it's about discovering inner strength and resilience. Taking on new challenges with a stronger mindset, Alex's progress story is a powerful reminder that persistence pays off. Visible progress and growing confidence aren't just outcomes, they're vital steps on the fitness journey. As we move forward, see how Alex continues to incorporate HIIT into a well-rounded fitness routine. Incorporating HIIT into your routine is easier than you think. Here's how Alex did it. Alex started by adding short HIIT sessions once or twice a week, gradually increasing their intensity. By mixing these high-energy bursts into regular exercises, Alex created a balanced routine. This method not only kept workouts exciting but also prevented burnout. Alex found that the key to success was in scheduling HIIT on days when longer workouts were more feasible, allowing rest and recovery in between. Over time, this approach led to noticeable improvements in both fitness and endurance. So, if you're looking to elevate your exercise routine, try weaving HIIT into your week. It's all about finding the right balance for your lifestyle. As we move forward, you'll see how this integration transformed Alex's overall fitness journey, paving the way for remarkable progress and a healthier, more energetic life. After weeks of dedication, Alex's transformation is nothing short of remarkable. Through consistent effort, Alex has achieved visible improvements in fitness and health. The change is not just physical, there's a newfound sense of achievement and confidence. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, played a crucial role in this journey. By pushing limits and embracing the challenge, Alex has redefined what's possible. Improved cardiovascular health, increased stamina, and a stronger body are just some of the benefits experienced. But it goes beyond that. The mental clarity and reduced stress levels have also been game changers. Alex feels more energized, focused, and ready to take on new challenges. This transformation is a testament to the power of HIIT. As we move forward, you'll see expert insights that further highlight the effectiveness of HIIT. Stay tuned, and imagine the possibilities for your own fitness journey. Experts agree, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is one of the most effective ways to improve your fitness. Leading fitness professionals and researchers have weighed in on its benefits. According to numerous studies, HIIT can significantly boost cardiovascular health, enhance metabolic function, and promote fat loss more efficiently than traditional exercise routines. Dr. Smith, a renowned sports scientist, highlights that the short, intense bursts of activity in HIIT can yield greater endurance and muscle strength. Meanwhile, fitness coach Jane Doe emphasizes the practicality of HIIT. It's accessible for everyone, regardless of fitness level, and can be done with minimal equipment. These expert insights provide a clear and scientifically backed endorsement of incorporating HIIT into your workout regimen. Understanding the breadth of benefits discussed by these professionals, it becomes evident that HIIT offers a powerful, time-efficient solution for improving physical health. As we move forward, you'll see exactly how to get started and make HIIT work for you. Alex now has a balanced routine with high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Every morning starts with a dynamic HIIT workout, designed to maximize efficiency and results in under 30 minutes. This routine includes a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility movements, ensuring a comprehensive fitness regimen. Throughout the week, Alex follows a well-structured schedule. Mondays and Wednesdays are dedicated to intense HIIT sessions, targeting different muscle groups each day. Tuesdays and Thursdays focus on active recovery, with yoga and light cardio to maintain flexibility and mobility. On Fridays, Alex combines HIIT with weight training for a powerful, full-body workout. Saturdays are reserved for endurance activities like cycling or running, complementing the high-intensity sessions earlier in the week. Sundays are a day of rest, allowing the body to recover and rejuvenate. This new routine not only keeps Alex physically fit but also boosts mental clarity and reduces stress. By incorporating HIIT into daily and weekly activities, Alex has found a sustainable way to stay motivated and achieve long-term fitness goals. Ready to learn how to integrate HIIT into your own routine? Next, we'll share some valuable tips for beginners looking to start their HIIT journey. If you're new to HIIT, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, start slow. It's important to ease into HIIT with shorter intervals and lighter weights. As you build endurance, you can gradually increase the intensity. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure you're incorporating HIIT into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. One common mistake is neglecting your warm-up. Always start with a proper warm-up to prevent injuries and get your muscles ready for intense activity. Another mistake to avoid is pushing yourself too hard, too soon. Listen to your body and know your limits. Overexertion can lead to burnout and injuries. Don't forget post-workout care. Stretching and hydrating are critical. They help with muscle recovery and prevent stiffness. Lastly, keep your HIIT sessions varied to stay engaged and challenge different muscle groups. Mix up your exercises and intervals to avoid plateauing. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering HIIT. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles can be tailored to your own fitness journey. So, get ready to take the leap and embrace the intensity. Ready to transform your fitness routine? It's time to take the leap and start incorporating high-intensity interval training today. HIIT has the power to elevate your workouts, boost your health, and reshape your physique like never before. Join thousands of fitness enthusiasts who have already discovered the incredible benefits of HIIT. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for more expert fitness tips, effective routines, and motivational content. Stay connected, stay motivated, and stay on top of your health journey. Remember, with each step, you're not just exercising. You're embracing a lifestyle that brings you closer to your goals. So why wait? Start your HIIT journey now and experience the transformation you've been dreaming of. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us for more exciting and informative content. Together, we can achieve greatness. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay fit, stay active, and keep pushing your limits.